Hello everyone, let's create our first Git project. For creating that, we need to create a new folder at first. For example, we call it Git project. And don't forget, what we need to create our Git project, we need to define to the Git that this place is where the project is being created. How we can define that? We open our Git bash. From here, we have our command line that we are going to go to this directory. For going to this directory, we need to copy this text and go here in this direction. But for copying that, we need to do a little change. We need to change these backslashes because the language we are using in Git understand the backslashes. Then press Ctrl A and Ctrl C to copy that. And here, let me zoom the text for you. Okay, it's better now. We are going to write CD. That means change direction and paste the thing we forget to copy, I think, or copy. Okay, we copy that, paste the direction. You see, it pastes the direction in the way we don't like. We press CD and paste the direction and then close the direction. Now, if you see here, it come in this direction. In every languages, whenever in CMD also you are using, for example, CD, when we paste it here, let me just run it CD. You go to the direction here, you can saw the direction. Okay, when we go to the direction, we need to install our Git. Installing it is very important because we know we need to tell to the Git where is the project and what is the project. For that, we just simply write git init, that means Git installations. And when we press that, the Git is installed, and you can see here, maybe you ask, nothing has changed. I'm agree with you, but something has been changed. For that, you need to go view and from here, show hidden items. You see, the Git has installed in our folder. Okay, it is how we install the Git, but in the next videos, we are going to learn how to work it. Until the next video, don't forget to like and subscribe.